Hi, I'm Emily from Motormatch in Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this automatic Abarth 595C in grey. This vehicle comes equipped with a 1.4 litre petrol engine and is Euro 6 compliant. When moving to the front of the vehicle, to ensure the road ahead is fully illuminated, you benefit from these signature headlights with LED daytime running lights and front fog lights, complemented by the stylish rear lights to ensure that you are always visible to other road users. This vehicle stands on these stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. You also have the benefit of a retractable roof with this vehicle, perfect for those hot summer drives. This car is packed with style with your black Sabolet cloth upholstery in the rear of the cabin here. Moving to your vehicle's boot space now, which is perfect for the daily essentials, and your back seats do also fold down to 50-50 split, supplying more room. Into the front of the cabin now, the stylish look continues with that same upholstery on the front two seats as the back, with the Abarth writing there, and taking a closer look at your steering wheel, which is height adjustable, and ahead there your display, which, as you can see when you pop the car in reverse, you have rear parking sensors to help manoeuvring easier than ever. Over to the infotainment system now, where you can explore all the radio options available or connect your own device to listen to your own music. Navigation is also provided to ensure you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys, and you can connect your phone via Bluetooth to make and receive those all important phone calls. Moving down, we have your automatic climate control, and in the centre here, your automatic transmission. You also have a USB charge port inside to ensure your device is always charged up. Thank you for watching this presentation on this automatic Abarth 595C in grey. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motormatch Stoke.